Hi everyone, I am back, this time setting up my personal Spek Croco as my wallet and everyday carry. So I am planning on purchasing a new personal organizer this month. I am still undecided as to which one I want, but I'm leaning towards a Gilio, a black Gilio probably, as my everyday carry. So until that arrives, I decided to set up my wallet and on-the-go planner using what I already have in my stash until my new order comes, and I can share that with you because I need to get used to carrying around a personal planner as a wallet again. So I'm adding some inbox inserts. Most of these are from cloth and paper. I've already had this set up before. So this is an inbox tab and I have a sticky note hub centered on that. The Infinite Lotus inbox inserts, I have these in every planner. I do print my own ones for the A5 planner, but I'm not great at printing personal size inserts. So this is the outbox bottom divider, and in here I usually just keep notes. Okay, then my first section is schedule, and in here I will keep my dailies. I have this today marker, so I just use blank dailies. A few of those. My next section is lists. You can see I have a lot of sticky notes on all of my dividers. I like that. This vellum dashboard from cloth and paper. Not sure about those. I have these Kate Spade rulers and I use them to jump to certain sections. So this is my list section. My next section is projects. And I have this project vellum and project management sheets. My next section is finances. This is a dashboard from cloth and paper. Another Kate Spade ruler. And what do I have in here? So I have order trackers, expenses. I don't think I'll use those. Okay. Next section is goals and ideas. I think this one would be better in the finance section. And I'll use this one in goals. So in goals, I have this mental download insert. Some activity tracker half sheets. And these year goals. I don't think I'll put those in. And some habit trackers. I do have a goals insert coming from Infinite Lotus, so suit that better. And then I have a miscellaneous section. This is no longer applicable. And I might change that out as well with some new passwords and contacts behind there. Okay, and then I just have a card holder with some stamps and extra cards. Okay, so I'm not putting those in there. I do want to put in some plastic envelopes. as I use these for saving. And I will be getting some cash stuffing envelopes for this as well. Okay. I am not sure if I'm going to use the monthly tabs. Let me see. I kind of do like it stuffed. I like my planners to feel stuffed. Let me try the months and see. I don't think I'll need them all, but let's try them. Yeah, I do like that better. So if I go to February and use an overview tab to get to the month. I might just do 6 months at a time. Habit trackers. I think I'll put the rest of this in here. Passwords. And some more note paper. Project sheets, inbox. Okay, I think that's it. Let me see how that feels. Yes, it's not too stuffed, and it's not thin either. It's just perfect. Okay. The pen loops aren't the best on this, so I need a kind of a thin pen. No, that won't work. Let's see. Yeah, that'll do. Okay. So I have my change in this pocket, and I keep my cash behind here, my notes, and that's it, folks.